From an earlier age, school wasn't the best thing for me. I hated school, but I got through it, I graduated. But my dad was always in the construction field, building homes, working at the ports, and that's kind of just what I followed. I got into electrical, did that a little bit, went through my apprenticeship schools with that. So I got into crane operating, but I've always roofed. I've always done some type of framing, construction, groundwork. It's just been my life.
There's a huge shortage of tradespeople in this country, and I think that goes back to, the last 25 years of the kids being told that they have to go to college if they want to make something of themselves. Yeah, you're probably going to get dirty, but it washes off. And you can make a good, honest living doing that.
Being out in the field is where I really like it. I get a little bit from the inside, from the office, but out here is just, you get to see everything that's on paper come into 3D, and just to be out here is where I want to be. I wouldn't change it for sure.
I went from sitting behind a computer 8 hours a day to meeting homeowners and being able to help them out. I get on roofs every single day. I go and pick up materials, and I feel like I have a sense of purpose. Being involved in a trade gives you a sense of pride and ownership of something that you built, something that you saw from start to finish and that you were able to complete, and also something that you were able to own and put your name on and leave behind and take pride in that was your work.
I have an associate's degree, and I've made more money in the hands-on field than I've ever with any type of computers or technology or any type of, I guess you would say, like in-office type work. I've made more money at this trade than probably anything I've ever done.
The great thing is that AI is not going to take over the construction that we do. There is no way computers are going to be able to tear things apart and put them back together. You need hands-on, you need the ability to work with your hands and have the ability to think and take things apart and put them back together that no computer desk job is ever going to do.
There are a variety of trades. A lot of people may start somewhere like a plumber, electrician, and they get burned out. It's not their thing, so they won't try something else. The good thing about it is if you're coming straight out of high school and you don't know what to do, instead of jumping right into college and just doing it because that's the thing, you can get paid to learn something you don't want to do. So you have many avenues, and there's 12 different trades that you can choose from, and when you get inside of those, you can branch off from that.
In my line of work, like doing emergency repairs and stuff like that, where people have a major problem and they don't have the resources to take care of it, whether it's inside the house or out in the yard. And being able to help people is something that I really enjoy doing.
When I'm working and when I do stuff with people or for any homeowner, any person, I try to treat it as if it's my own. Like, I step back, look at them like, oh, that sucks. I would not want that on my house. And that's pretty much how I look at everything in life.
If you have the ability and the mindset to think outside the box, to problem solve, and get up every day and help people, this is for you. If you have the skill and the craftsmanship to be doing any trade in the entire construction field, this is where you want to be. Not to mention, it's a pretty good living.